It's movie clip time here at Ramos Law. You know it's my favorite time. I love watching movies. I like watching movies about lawyers and trials and that kind of stuff. Today, we're going to watch a clip from The Lincoln Lawyer with your favorite, America's favorite, except for the people who don't like him, Matthew McConaughey. Let's see what happens. Looks like he's wearing the same suit as me today. Suspense building.
He's going to talk to his boss to decide what they want to do before the judge comes down with a directed verdict.
I was going to explain to you what a directed verdict is, but looks like they're going to do it for us, so let's see what he says.
What's a directed verdict? It's where the judge takes the case from the jury's hands, declares an acquittal. Oh my God.
Yeah, so just to expand on that a little bit, directed verdict is the case is over in front of the jury. One side or the other says, there's no way you can come out any other way but for us. And they ask the judge to rule that as a matter of law. It's relatively rare because you're taking it out of the jury's hands, but it does happen from time to time, depending on the facts.
We'll know more in a few minutes.
I want to know how Corliss got that shit he's saying.
Maybe Frank Levin told him. Maybe he found something and gave it to Corliss, and that's why you killed him.
Gonna hurt your hand doing that.
Court's back in session.
Your Honor, I spoke with the district attorney. The state wishes to dismiss all charges. You have the motion in front of you.
Okay, so looks like they're going to dismiss the charges here, so the judge isn't going to direct a verdict. The case is just going to go away. That doesn't make sense, because it sounds like, even according to the defense attorney, Matthew McConaughey here, this guy's a murderer. So let's see what Hollywood has in store for us.
This is a motion to dismiss with prejudice. Case closed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Roulet, you're free to go. Court's adjourned.
Mr. Haller, thank you so much for my son.
You're welcome.
You were splendid.
Thank you.
I've made reservations.
I want the gun.
Of course you do. I want to talk.
Mr. Haller, I insist you join us for dinner tonight for a celebration.
I don't think so.
Louis Roulet,
Uh-oh.
you're under arrest.
What do you think you're doing?
Hands behind your back.
What's the charge?
He's under arrest for the murder of Donna Renteria.
Everything that man said was a lie.
You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to have an attorney present during questioning. If you give up that right, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you? Hey, look at me. Do you understand your rights?
So he's being charged with a different crime. When the other case was dismissed, something called double jeopardy attaches. You probably heard about that, which basically says you can't be charged for the same crime twice. So double jeopardy attaches, is the way we call it, once that jury is sworn in and the case starts. So whoever the subject was of that first murder, he can't be tried again for that one. So it sounds like he killed a couple people and they're moving to charge him with a second crime.
Could I have a word with him?
Well, that's it, Louis. I got you off. Time to find yourself a new lawyer.
I've still got your gun.
Mm-hmm. And you're gonna have to explain how you got it. Thank you, Detective.
Come on, Louis. Mary.
Not a word. You get my kid out of jail.
Heller, you are one messed up son of a bitch. First you get your client off for assault, only to burn him for murder.
You don't have enough to charge him with the Renteria murder, do you?
Yeah. They've got enough to screw with him.
So one of the questions here is, what did Matthew McConaughey do, and did he set up his own client to get busted? If he did, he could have some trouble because there's some rules there for what lawyers can and cannot say about their clients, and so hopefully he followed the rules and doesn't get himself into any trouble.